नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन टुडे प्रैक्टिकल सेशन ऑफ केस टेकिंग। When the patient, for it is on him we have chiefly to rely for a description of his sensation, except in the case of faint diseases, has by these details given of his own accord and in answer to inquiries furnished the requisite information and traced a tolerably perfect picture of the disease, the physician is at liberty and obliged to ask more precise, more special questions. मीन्स यहाँ पे फिजिशियन को अलाउ किया गया है कि वो उन और क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन को कंप्लीट करने के लिए। मीन्स व्हेन द पेशेंट हैज बाय दीज डिटेल्स गिवन ऑफ हिज ओन अकॉर्ड, मतलब सारी डिटेल पेशेंट अपनी बता दी, अब उसके पास बताने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है। एंड आंसर टू इंक्वायरीज फर्निश द रिक्विजिट इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ट्रेस्ड ए टॉलरेबली परफेक्ट पिक्चर ऑफ द डिजीज, द फिजिशियन इज एट लिबर्टी एंड ऑब्लाइज टू आस्क मोर प्रिसाइज, मोर स्पेशल क्वेश्चंस। अब फिजिशियन पूछ सकता है, मतलब नाउ द scenario scene is changed. In the first part, physician remains silent, and in second part, physician has liberty to ask questions to get or complete the information from the patient. Now, for example, how often are his bowel moved? What is the exact character of the stools? Did the whitish evacuation consist of mucus or feces? Had he or had he not pains during the evacuation? What was their exact character and where were they seated? What did the patient vomit? Is the bad taste in the mouth putrid, bitter or sour, or what before or after eating or during the repast? At what period of the day was it worst? What is the taste of what is irritated? Does the urine only become turbid on standing, or is it turbid when first discharged? What is its color when first emitted? Of what color is the sediment? How does he behave during sleep? Does he whine, moan, talk, or cry out in his sleep? Does he start during sleep? Does he snore during inspiration or during expiration? Does he lie only on his back or on which side? Does he cover himself well up, or can he not bear the clothes on him? Does he easily awake, or does he sleep too soundly? How often does this or that symptom occur? What is the cause that produces it each time it occurs? Does it come on while sitting, lying, standing, or when in motion? Only when fasting, or in the morning, or only in the evening, or only after a meal, or when does it usually appear? When did the rigor come on? Was it merely a chilly sensation, or was he actually cold at the same time? If so, in what parts, or while feeling chilly, was he actually warm to the touch? Was it merely a sensation of cold without shivering? Was he hot without redness of the face? What parts of him were hot to the touch, or did he complain of heat without being hot to the touch? How long did the chilliness last? How long the hot stage? When did the first thrust come on during the cold stage, during the heat, or previous to it, or subsequent to it? How great was the thrust, and what was the beverage desired? When did the sweat come on, at the beginning or at the end of the heat? Or how many hours after the heat, when asleep or when awake? How great was the sweat? Was it warm or cold, or what parts? How did it smell? What does he complain of before or during the cold stage? What during the hot stage? What after it? What during or after the sweating stage? So these are the examples for to get more precise information, to get more refined information from the patient. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.